Welcome to the College of St. Rose Online Learning Services. I'm going to show you how to use the Kaltura search feature to organize your videos. First, go to the My Media tab in your course. You will see that it is organized by the detailed view, which looks like this. You can use the collapsed view, and you can use the table view, which gives you more data. You can also use the filter button to filter by media type, publish status, or ownership. You can use the search bar to search for text terms. And those text terms can be present in the title of the video, the description of the video, the captions of the video, or the tags that are attached to the video. You can add a tag to your video by going into the video view screen and going to Actions and Edit. Under the Details tab, you can edit the name, the description, or add a tag to your video. You can add multiple tags, and we recommend that you tag your video with titles such as the title of the course and the number, and chapter names or module numbers. For example, I could put in Psych 101 Module 1 or Psych 101 Chapter 1. And then press Save. Now you go to Media and go back to the My Media page, and then you can search for Psych 101 Chapter 1, and it will pull up the video that has that tag attached to it. Another thing you can do is to use playlists. If you do not have video quizzes that you want your students to view, but only videos that you want them to view, you can use playlists. You go to My Media Gallery, which is the gallery of videos that are only viewable by the students, and go to the hamburger icon, and you would go to Create Channel Playlist. And you would title the playlist and you can add a description, and you could add a tag as well. And then you would press Create. Now it will ask you to select the videos you want added to that playlist. You press on the plus icon, and you can see that these videos have been added to the playlist. Now you go to Media Gallery, and go to Save. And now you'll see you have several playlists. Okay. That's it. Thanks for watching. And you can view more tutorial videos at the College of St. Rose Online Learning Services YouTube channel.